Hey everyone, welcome back to MMO Crypto, and if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button after watching so you don't miss out on future updates. Now, let's get into it. What I'm about to explain is incredibly important for the future of XRP and the entire financial system. Major financial giants like MasterCard are now pushing forward with tokenization-based solutions. This is not a new concept for them, but what they're doing now is even bigger. Tokenization is a term that's been gaining a lot of attention in recent months. And its significance is only growing as we see major players in the financial world starting to embrace it. If you've been following the developments in crypto and blockchain, you've probably heard this word more than ever. In this video, I want to break down exactly how tokenization is going to make XRP incredibly valuable and how this trend could make many XRP holders very wealthy. Let's dive into why this is happening and how XRP is positioned to be a leader in this revolution. MasterCard has been exploring tokenized payment solutions for some time now, and this move towards blockchain technology is just the beginning. Why does this matter? Because MasterCard, like many other major institutions, has millions of customers worldwide. They already have an enormous user base, and that's crucial for driving mass adoption of any new technology. If they can introduce tokenization to their existing customer base, the transition to crypto, and specifically to XRP, becomes far easier. I just want to quickly interrupt to let you know that I partnered with Bit, the third largest crypto exchange in the world, to bring you some amazing rewards and benefits. If you sign up using my link below, you can receive up to $30 worth of rewards. Bit is known for its 24/7 support, massive trading volume, and access to a wide variety of markets. So, if you haven't already, make sure to check it out. You don't want to miss these exclusive perks. Now, let's get back to the big picture. Looking globally, there's an ongoing push in regions like Hong Kong, where the Hong Kong Monetary Authority is launching Project Assemble. This initiative is collaborating with countries like Brazil and Thailand to promote tokenization on a global scale. The reason this is important is because Ripple, the company behind XRP, is already deeply connected with these regions, especially Hong Kong and Brazil. Ripple has been working with Hong Kong's monetary authority for years, and this connection is only growing stronger. Let's rewind a bit to 2023, when Ripple first made waves by partnering with the Hong Kong Monetary Authority on tokenizing real-world assets, including real estate. For context, the global real estate market is worth over $300 trillion. Just think about that number for a moment. If a fraction of that value moves to the XRP ledger, XRP's role in the financial ecosystem could skyrocket in importance. And this is exactly where we're headed. The global demand for tokenized assets will soon be measured in trillions of dollars. And XRP is set to be at the center of this shift. As this trend continues to gain momentum, Ripple is collaborating with some of the biggest names in finance. For example, Standard Chartered, one of the leading global banks, has been an investor in Ripple since 2016. Recently, Hashkey, another big player, announced a new partnership with Ripple to expand the use cases of the XRP ledger in supply chain management. This only adds to Ripple's growing presence in traditional financial markets. But the story doesn't end there. In February 2024, Ripple entered into a strategic partnership with ZX to bring multi-asset tokenization to the XRP ledger. This is the kind of partnership that will dramatically expand the use of XRP, bringing even more value to the network and to its holders. You might be wondering, how exactly will tokenization affect XRP and its price? The answer is simple, in a massive way. Consider the example of Bitcoin. Over time, Bitcoin's value increased because people started buying, selling, and trading it. That's what we call a network effect. The more people that use a network, the more valuable it becomes. Now, think about tokenization. Some estimates suggest that tokenized assets could reach a market size of quadrillions of dollars, especially when you consider how much money is involved in global markets like bonds and securities. For example, the DTCC, Depository Trust and Clearing Corporation, settles more than $3 quadrillion worth of securities transactions every year. If just a fraction of this gets tokenized on the XRP ledger, we're talking about trillions of dollars moving through XRP's network. And with DeFi protocols emerging around tokenized assets, The demand for XRP is poised to explode. Think about it. $1 trillion to $5 trillion worth of tokenized assets on the XRP ledger. And that's just the conservative estimate. If we see $30 trillion to $50 trillion flowing through this network by 2025, as some analysts predict, XRP's value could experience unprecedented growth. People won't just be holding these assets, they'll be buying, selling, trading, and locking them in DeFi protocols to earn yield. This creates a massive network effect, which will directly impact the price of XRP. If the network grows and more assets are tokenized, the value of XRP itself will skyrocket. But there's more. XRP's role will extend far beyond just being a medium of exchange. As tokenized assets continue to grow, XRP will be used in swaps, yield generation, cross-chain communication, and much more. The demand for XRP will increase as people seek to use it for all sorts of financial transactions. As the number of use cases grows, so will the value of XRP ledger as a whole. In addition to these developments, Ripple is collaborating with Axel to bring tokenized real-world assets, RWAs, to the XRP ledger. David Schwartz, the Chief Technology Officer at Ripple, has already pointed out that tokenization of real-world assets is the driving force of the blockchain economy. This includes tokenizing everything from real estate to commodities, and even treasuries and bonds. And the shift is already happening. Companies like Aurum have launched tokenized funds worth billions of dollars, with more to come. State Street, one of the largest asset management firms in the world, has just released a report forecasting that the bond market will lead the way in tokenization, with mass adoption expected within the next 12 months. This is huge because the bond market is a foundational pillar of the global financial system. If tokenization of bonds becomes mainstream, it will lay the groundwork for tokenizing every other asset class, from stocks to real estate. Within the next decade, we are at a tipping point. The next 12 months could see massive strides in the widespread adoption of tokenized financial assets. And XRP is at the forefront of this revolution. As more institutions and financial players jump on board, the demand for XRP will only grow. Ripple is making all the right moves to ensure that XRP Ledger is the primary platform for tokenizing these assets, which means the future is incredibly bright for XRP holders. Now, we must consider the bigger picture. The transition to tokenized assets isn't just about XRP. It's about the entire infrastructure of the global financial system shifting to the blockchain. According to Larry Fink of BlackRock, every single asset, whether it's stocks, bonds, or commodities, will eventually be tokenized and moved to the blockchain. The benefits are clear. Tokenization will enable instant settlement, reduce costs, and make the entire financial ecosystem more efficient. As more financial assets are tokenized, the value of XRP will continue to climb, driven by both retail investors and institutional players. To wrap things up, XRP holders are on the edge of something huge. It's not just about a short-term price increase, it's about the long-term shift towards a blockchain-based financial world. Tokenization is happening, and XRP is right in the middle of it. As major financial institutions, central banks, and regulators continue to support tokenization, XRP's value will rise. Those who are holding XRP today are not just investing for the next bull run. They're planting the seeds for massive long-term wealth generation. We are standing on the brink of a massive transformation in the financial world. The tokenization revolution is happening right now, and XRP is positioned to be at the heart of it all. This isn't just another hype cycle or short-term market movement. This is the future of finance. As more and more financial institutions, central banks, and tech giants recognize the immense potential of tokenization, the demand for XRP will surge, creating opportunities for holders to potentially see enormous long-term gains. For those of you holding XRP, now is the time to pay close attention. This is about more than just price action. This is about being part of a new financial ecosystem, one where XRP could become the key to enabling instant transactions, unlocking massive liquidity, and driving a global shift in how assets are traded, stored, and utilized. So, whether you're in it for the long haul or just looking to capitalize on the coming wave, remember, The seeds you plant today could turn into an incredible opportunity tomorrow. And the future? It's brighter than ever for XRP holders. We're just getting started. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video gave you some insight into what's coming. If you found this information valuable, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future updates. Also, feel free to follow me through the link below this channel. The journey is just beginning, and there are exciting times ahead. Thanks for your time, and see you in the next video.